Now we are going to talk about the propelling structure, powered. So the powered wheelchairs have more variability than manual systems do. So the major components are a wheeled mobility base with a power drive to the wheels, a control interface that the consumer uses to direct movement, an electric controller, and powered accessories. So the drive wheels are located in the front. So powered wheelchairs are generally classified as rear, mid, or front wheel. So you can have the drive wheels in the back, in the front, or in the middle. But the rear and mid are the most common. So the rear wheel drive chair, the wheels are located behind the center of the user. The mid wheel is located directly underneath the user's center of gravity. The front wheelchair are located ahead of the user's gravity with a high ratio of front wheel drives being closer to the center of gravity than the low ratio. So essentially, the evaluation of the client's physical and cognitive abilities and examination of their mobility needs are an important step in determining which type of powered wheelchair is most suited to their needs.